Hi my friend, do you really want to make your computer desktop live like this? See beautiful live desktop wallpapers. It's amazing. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make live desktop wallpapers on any version of Windows like Windows 8, 10 and Windows 11. Let us start. Okay. First you need to download Lively Setup from the link in the description. After extract the folder if it's zip like this. After open the extracted folder. Double-click on the setup.exe. Here choose install for me only because it's the recommended, but even you can install for all users. Tap on OK. Tap on Next. Click on I accept the agreement then tap on Next. Next. Again tap on Next. After tap on Install. The installation will start. Here click on Finish. This will open up the page. Tap on Next. If you want to start with Windows, enable it and tap on Next. On user interface leave it as normal, but you can choose light if you want. Click on Next. On taskbar theme choose what you want then tap on Next. Now it's completed. Lively is minimized to system tray, right-click Lively icon to continue. Click on System Tray, find the Lively, right-click on it and tap on the Open Lively. OK. Here you can see this software is the best one for live desktop wallpapers. It's really amazing one, but please if you new don't forget to subscribe. Now let me show to you how you can set it as desktop wallpaper. Just select the wallpaper that you want to set as desktop background. Here let me show you. Amazing, you see the raindrops on the computer. Let me select another one to see. Wonderful, you see the desktop is live. Now after installing this software you can choose your amazing desktop live wallpaper. Okay. If you want to add some other wallpaper, tap here on plus icon. If you already downloaded some live wallpapers, click on Browse and select. But this software come with the default amazing live desktops wallpapers, so try it. And even check out these cool video. Have a nice time.